Hi and welcome to PHP 12 times table tutorial using do while loop. Okay, so what I will do now is to open up Notepad and we'll put one of these together. Here are the lines of codes that we use, but let's put one together. Start new, and right there we're going to start with less than PHP, and let's close it up there. So the first thing we want to do now is let's define our variable that we intend to use. I'm going to start with the $sign. Let's say count equals 1, and let's use the do statement. Do this time around we're using echo. Okay, let's use echo to get that sorted, and we enter. Let's go for count. Enter counts there, times maybe if you like 11 or 12, equals, enter speech mark, dot, £sign, count times 11. Okay, dot, and let's enter speech mark. Let's enter for to the next line. Alright, so that is that. So what we now need to do is to use while plus $sign, which means increment the value in there. Y is less than 11. Let's make that 11. Okay, print out as follows. So what I'll do now is let's go to file, or just save it. I'm going to just call it while t. Okay, so let's .php. Okay, let's save that there. So the next thing I want to do now is let's go straight in here. So that is just an ordinary while t. I'm going to go to the next page, open a new page in the browser, and just change it to while t. While t.php, and check that out. Okay, we have an error in line 5. Let's check that out. Line 5. Okay, number 5. There we go. And right here, that's the error. We have not closed that with the speech mark. Okay then, so let's save that and come back in our code and just press F5. Okay, we also have an error there. Let's see. Alright, we might as well just do something else. Take that all off and we'll paste it right in front of BR there. Okay, that should hopefully do the trick. We'll save it and come back in here, press F5, and there, guys. But we have all of these. We need to then take care of those. That's a silly mistake there. That was supposed to be $sign. Let's go back in here, come back in our code. That is supposed to be $sign here to output the value. Now save it and back in here, press F5, and there we go. That's the 11 times table. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's go back in here. We have this up to 11. Let's change that to 12 so that we can get it up to 12 and refresh. Then we see that, yeah, that's up to 12. That's fine. Now let's add a title and so on. Okay, now we come in here and we can just come right into our previous one here. You see, that's the title there. We can just copy all of those, copy all of that, copy, come right here and paste that in there. Undo that, try it one more time. Paste that in there. Now this is to get it centered, and that is to set the font size, and that is to make it bold. And here are the color. That's the color I intend to use. Okay, font color, and here I have my title there. change that to 11 times table. Okay, and here this is just another return to the next line. Close the bold, and here that's just to draw an horizontal line. Maybe copy this and draw another horizontal line right underneath here. Copy that, paste it right there, save, come to our browser, refresh, and there guys, that is how you create your own multiplication timetable using PHP. So let me show you guys the codes one more time. Maybe just delete this, let's delete that so that we have enough room for it. Save. Those are the lines of codes. It is saved now, so let's go into our program again, just refresh, and you should see the lines. There we go guys. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this program. I suppose you all enjoy it. Bye for now.